What's up, guys? Welcome back to the shop. I've got a got a piece of spalted maple. Do just a simple bowl. It's not very big. It's about 8 inches in diameter, 4 inches thick. But it's got some beautiful spalting going on. I'm pretty sure that's maple. I've had it cut and laid there for about almost 2 years, and I happened to cut a piece in half yesterday and seen the beautiful color and the grain on the inside. And I thought that'll make an awesome looking bowl, but it's got some pretty colors going on in there. I don't know if you can see them in the camera there or not, but it's beautiful wood. So I think it's going to have some pretty cool colors going on. But we'll get it mounted up, get the turning on it, and see what it does. Like I say, I'm pretty sure that was maple. Let me see. I've got another piece over here. This is the other half. I could be wrong. I can't remember. But maybe you guys can help me out. Leave a comment if that's not maple. But yeah, that's the other piece I cut in half, because this one's it's about 16 inches long. But yeah, I split it, seen all that color. I thought, wow, that's some beautiful color inside that. So we'll turn a bowl out of this and see how pretty it comes out to be. So let me get it all mounted up, and we'll get turning on this thing. Alright guys, there we have it. It did turn out to have some beautiful color in that bowl. Pretty grain. I guess you could call that spalting. It looks like it's got some red. Got some red in it. I've seen a couple other spots. But anyway, there's some right in there. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, that turned out to be a beautiful, beautiful colors and some maple. There's a unique design in this bowl. I don't know if I want to point it out or not. I'm gonna see if everybody can find it and just comment on it. See if you can see the. See if you can see what I see in the side of this bowl. It's not on the inside, even though it's very pretty. But on the outside of this bowl, I'll turn it slow. See if you can see what I seen in here. There's a hint. So yeah, pretty cool characteristic. Just let me know in the comment what you've seen in the side of that bowl right then. But anyway, there it is. One maple bowl. Still ended up about 7 inches round. I had to cut, had to go pretty deep because it had a hollowed out shallow spot in it. I didn't want it in the bowl. But still about 7 inches round. It's about 3.5 inches deep. About 1/4 inch thick. But I like it. It turned out really nice. Like I say, I've got another piece. I actually got a few more pieces of it that I'll do something with. But yeah, hope you liked the video. If you did, give me that thumbs up. It really helps my channel. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing so. I try to do a video every week, sometimes 2, but most of the time they'll come out usually on Friday. The videos usually come out on Friday, late Friday evening. But let me know what you think, what you see in the side of that bowl, and we'll use the other piece and turn something out of it. Beautiful characteristics in that spalted maple. Very easy to turn. Didn't even have to sharpen up during this turning. Kind of done it at a high speed just to get to the end of the video. So yeah, thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks to all the guys, everybody that does sticker swaps. We got another one going here. I got to get it put up. But I got a lot of them. A lot of YouTube subscribers. A lot of Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. I'm on the Instagram. So, all right, guys. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.